Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to break the character AI filter. So if you're wondering how you guys can break or bypass the character AI word filter, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is, well, I'm gonna go ahead and try to log on to my account over on it character.ai and proceed with, of course, going to my preferred character that I want to go ahead and use for this example, which is breaking the character AI filter, right? So once we have already surpassed the option to log in, we can now go ahead and tap on our preferred character, or you could also go and create your own character if you want to go and do so. Alright, so once we are already here, if in the case that the character AI is detecting those locking, basically not allowing you to use a specific words, what we can actually do is to experiment using different words instead of the one that it blocks. So if in the case that you are trying to use profound words, I like you to just go ahead and rephrase the language, use different types of language, and try to go ahead and basically bypass, but using more appropriate language than normal. So if you are using the word like, let's say, sexual activity, you can actually use coitus instead of using the word sexual activity. It's basically what it means. Let's go ahead and give you guys what the meaning of this word. So it's basically just a more formal word for, of course, this word right here. You can actually use this word instead of that word, which is currently getting blocked on the character.ai application, and try if it's actually gonna work. Now, this principle also applies to other words. So go ahead and see if you have a much more formal version of the word that you are trying to use that is currently blocked and restricted on the character.ai application, and see if that is gonna work any better. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys weren't something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.